So you already know, if you've been following me, if I don't wash my wig as soon as I take it off, I do keep my worn wigs inside this bag. However, I do clean the edges off because, ooh, that's a job. Anyway, I found the wig that I'm going to be experimenting on, and it's this blue one. This is how I looked when I wore it, and if you guys did not see me, the installation video is posted on YouTube, and this is how it looks off of my peanut head. It's a regular lace front wig. Here's the inside, the lace, and it does have black roots. This is going to be like the fastest video in history because I accidentally erased like 3 pics, but I will try my hardest to explain it the best way I can. So this is the color that I used. Yes, it's pink. It was supposed to be pink for Mother's Day, but as you can see, I'm retarded and I didn't know or didn't think that blue and pink made purple. So anyway, what I did was I parted it, and then I took the pink dye and put it about 2 inches down and directly in the middle, leaving about 2 inches not dyed. So as you can see, all of the purple or pinkish parts of the dye is actually on the hair. And what I did was I parted it, I dyed the middle, parted it, left some out. Parted it, dyed the middle, parted it, left some out. Parted it, dyed the middle, parted it, left some out. So every other part was dye on it, and then the other parts that didn't have dye on it was just straight blue hair. And this is what it turned out to be, you guys. So I rinsed it, and this is the hair wet. And as you know, anytime I use a used lace front that I've worn, I always tie down the edges. It looks like this. And then this is the hair dry.